The Milkmaid's Lesson: Staying Grounded in the Present. In a small village nestled among rolling green hills, there lived a young milkmaid named Molly. Every morning, Molly would wake up early to milk the cows in her family's barn. She loved the peaceful moments with the cows, listening to their gentle moos as she filled her pail with fresh, creamy milk. After daydreaming about her future leading to a spilled pail of milk, ultimately discovering the value of living in the present and working hard towards goals. On this particular day, Molly was excited because she was going to sell her milk at the village market for the first time. She had her hopes high, thinking everyone would flock to buy milk from her. As she set out on the path to the market, her pail balanced carefully on her head, Molly's mind began to wander. With the money I earn from selling this milk, she thought, I could buy a beautiful new ribbon for my hair. The thought made her smile, and she pictured herself wearing the ribbon at the next village dance. As she walked, Molly spotted a plump chicken pecking at the ground near the path. Suddenly, an idea struck her. If I buy a chicken with my milk money, I could sell its eggs too. Her imagination soared as she calculated how much more money she could make with both milk and eggs to sell. This made her all the more excited and happy. With all that money, Molly daydreamed, I could buy a pretty new dress to wear to the market. She imagined how envious the other milkmaids would be when they saw her in her new dress, selling both milk and eggs. Maybe I'll even save enough to buy a cow of my own. In her mind, she saw herself with a whole herd of cows, becoming the most successful milk seller in the village. She imagined herself as a rich and successful young woman. Everyone will admire me, she mused, and maybe the handsome baker's son will notice me too. Lost in her daydreams, Molly didn't notice that she had started to skip along the path. With each skip, the milk in her pail sloshed dangerously close to the rim. Molly was so caught up in her fantasies that she didn't realize what was happening. Suddenly, she took an extra big hop, imagining herself dancing at her wedding to the baker's son. The milk in her pail couldn't take the jolt and spilled over the edge, cascading down Molly's dress. Molly gasped in shock as she watched the precious milk form a puddle at her feet. All her dreams of ribbons, dresses, and chickens vanished in an instant. With a heavy heart and an empty pail, Molly turned back towards home. When she arrived, her mother took one look at Molly's milk-soaked dress and empty pail and understood what had happened. Oh, Molly, her mother said gently, it seems you've learned an important lesson today. Molly nodded sadly. I was so busy dreaming about what I could do with the money, I forgot to focus on what I was doing. Her mother smiled kindly and said, remember, dear, don't count your chickens before they hatch. Molly looked confused, so her mother explained, it means don't depend on something until you're sure it will happen. I understand now, Molly said. I shouldn't have made plans for money I hadn't earned yet. Her mother hugged her and said, that's right. But don't worry, there's always tomorrow to try again. Molly brightened at this and said, you're right. And this time, I'll keep my mind on my task until the milk is safely sold. The next morning, Molly set out again with her pail of milk, this time focusing on her steps and the path ahead. When she successfully sold her milk at the market, Molly felt a sense of pride in her accomplishment. She bought a small ribbon with her earnings, a reminder of the lesson she had learned. From that day on, Molly became known in the village for her reliability and focus. She still dreamed of future successes, but she learned to work hard in the present to make those dreams come true. Her dreams never hindered her vision and progress towards her goals. As the years passed, Molly's dedication paid off, and she did eventually own her own cows and chickens. But she never forgot the lesson of that spilled milk and the importance of staying grounded in the present. Molly often shared her story with the village children, teaching them the value of focus and the danger of getting lost in daydreams. She always reminded the children to have big dreams but at the same time to be focused and work hard to turn those dreams to reality. And so, the tale of the milkmaid and her pail became a beloved story in the village, reminding everyone to appreciate what they have and work steadily towards their goals. Please subscribe to this channel so as not to miss even a single one of our wonderful stories.